In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do journals on Xero. If you're looking to efficiently manage your finances using Xero's powerful accounting software, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and get started. First, you will need to log in to Xero accounting software. Open your web browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Once you're there, simply click on the login button to begin the process. You'll need to enter your email and password associated with your Xero account. After entering your credentials, click on Login again to access your dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see a range of options available to you. For journal entries, direct your attention to the top navigation menu and click on the Accounting tab. From this drop-down, select Manual Journals. This section will give you access to all your current journal entries. Next, click on New Journal to create a fresh journal entry. Here, you will be able to enter details such as the date, account, description, and amounts. Be sure to fill in all necessary information accurately to ensure your financial records are correct. Once you're satisfied with your entries, simply click Post to record the journal. If you ever need to revisit or modify an existing journal, you can do so quite easily. Finding the journal you'd like to edit is straightforward. Just select it from the list. Click on the journal you want to edit and you'll be able to make necessary changes. In addition to editing, Xero allows you to manage existing journals with various actions through the Journal options. This menu lets you reverse, copy, or delete any existing journal. These functions are particularly useful if you need to correct a mistake or duplicate a recurring entry. Speaking of recurring entries, if you want to create a new repeating journal for transactions that occur regularly, click on New Repeating Journal. This feature is handy for automating entries that don't change frequently. Once you've set this up according to your needs, make sure to hit Save to preserve your changes. Managing your journals effectively on Xero ensures that your financial data remains organized and accurate. Whether you're posting new entries, modifying current ones, or setting up recurring journals, Xero provides the tools needed for seamless accounting management. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to do journals on Xero. If you found this video helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more insights on optimizing your use of Xero. Happy accounting!